game, and my little homie, he the best man. Let that bitch snatch me on to the next man. Wasn't right, so I slapped her with my left hand. Married to the game, and my little homie, he the best man.
What is good, too? I'm here with Mo. Mo be hating the copyright, but we're about to tint the back taillights on the Jeep today.
I don't know why YouTube just won't let us bump our shit.
We gotta bump either Dubs or Kimchi.
Or Joba.
Yeah, Joba, one of the boys.
Or Young Vin.
But
Nah, just shouting out all the Res rappers.
for real.
Shit.
But yeah, we're about to get this tent. I'll show y'all after. Alright, we got all the newspaper and shit on, so, and all the tape. Looks like we paper mache this, huh?
Bro, this would be a dope ass rap.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking, a newspaper rap.
People would be like, what the
What the hell?
I know we're about to spray this though. This is what John's using for
Buddy.
his lights.
About to use this, some lens tint. Better put y'all on, make it look nice.
Some red shit, but
It's not.
it's
red,
gonna
but
go hard. Watch.
It just makes it darker than some film. You can make it darker than film.
It's darker than
Yeah,
film tint.
but I'll catch y'all after we do the first one.
I said I get right back. Soon as my dog went on a deal and that bitch hit right back. Fat. I never wanted to be this rich. Quarantine, I got 300 all on my.
How the fuck are you even doing this?
Doing too good.
What do you mean?
Oh, a lens tint?
Cause like this, what you should have done is fucking let it dry and then fucking sanded it down a little bit and then just. Cause that's why you'll always be able to see it. The thing with paint is that it always layers. You know, it doesn't ever go away. It just fucking hardens and then layers over it. You know.
If you want to move it, you just sand it off in that area.
Yeah, but you don't want to like how he was doing it like that. You're gonna see all that because it's like different layers. You're doing a layer and a layer. You know, so it's easily.
That's what I was seeing.
Yeah.
Looks even.
Cause you see how he did this little X over here? You can see it. It went, you can see the line come down.
That dark line.
This one looks pretty good, huh? This one over here is clean.
I was gonna sand it, get another can, and you go over it.
Try it.
Yeah, but just
Yeah,
sanding
you
it.
just gotta hit it in lengths. It looks good though. Coming out.
Yeah. We got the big chicken hot. What is good, YouTube? So, I was on my way to the gym, and bro, the alternator or something went out on the Jeep. So, we're gonna have to get the big road chicken fixed up. But yeah, alternator, something's down right now, so gonna have to go to the shop upstairs, so go find an alternator. Throw the new alternator in, throw a new battery in, something. See what's going on with the Jeep, but yeah. Got the boys on the way right now. We're gonna try to figure this shit out. See, try to get it to jump, see if we can at least get it into town. But yeah, I'll catch y'all and figure something out. See, bro, look at this. No. Foot's on the brake. No connection, bro. No nothing. No life. No life in it. If y'all know what the hell I should do, comment down below. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get the real chicken fixed. Can't let this shit ruin your day though. It's alright. We'll get it fixed. We got O out here helping out. Came in clutch to the jump.
Oh,
Let me try her out.
it's not in no fucking ground, is it? Melt something. Smelt something down.
When you want me to crank mine up. Dead ass? Yeah.
I have a new one in my garage.
What? This guy's truck just died, dude. Nah, bro. That shit's.
It's like you got some problems in the
That's-
John today.
Bro,
I was just telling you I got a problem right here too.
I'm telling you, bro, the devil's trying to win today, but we're
Here
not.
we go. It's running. Here we go.
We're not gonna let
It's
him
just
win.
a Ford, bro. It's a piece of shit. You gotta work with it.
Bro, this is too funny, bro. I'm not even cutting this out the vid, bro. This shit's too funny.
Broken Ford.
Don't get a Ford or a Dodge, bro. I'm about to buy a Maybach.
Got more miles and is way better.
Alright, we got
Two. Shit. See if it fucking works, man. Ooh, John sparked it up. See if it blows up. You know?
see if it blows up.
What else a buff is? I keep forgetting this is buff.
Cut it on when we try to cut the car on. Just pull. Hell no.
Air filter needs clean too. You know? Looks a little crusty and musty.
We don't got.
Like
It's on, but it's,
toes. Key fob not detected. It's in that bitch. It touched it. You tripping, man. Earth. Yeah, I guess the Mennonites, I'm gonna have to borrow their trailer and then just I'll bring it back sometime, you know?
damn.
You know what's wrong with it? It ain't got no gas.
Ain't got no gas in it.
You know, I could detail this for you, you know? I got you a detail. I could hook you up.
What do you think we should do
I could
then?
do 10% off since it broke down too, you feel me?
I don't know what to do, man.
Nar, man. Said there's some nar out here, and I don't see any.
Look. We're gonna go get this money and we'll worry about this later. We got some details to do on some cars. So we'll catch a big chicken hawk later. We'll catch y'all. We'll catch you guys later too. Alright. Yeah, it's detailing. I'll catch y'all here in a little bit. After I clean this crusty ass door, I'll show y'all the after. We just gotta hit it with the vacuum down there. One more scrub. Should be good on the doors. All the doors are clean. But I'll catch y'all on later. We finished the detail now. We're fucking just hours later. Yeah, hours later. About to take this alternator off and then go get a new one. So I'll cut it down when we got this alternator off. About to replace the alternator and the big red chicken. She went down this morning. Tell you what, but we're gonna have her running by the end of the night. You just gotta take off this serpentine belt. You come down here, you wrench off these top bolts. You come down here on that bottom, wrench off the bottom bolt down there. And then you're gonna wanna unplug it. You don't wanna unplug your cables from the back of your alternator also. And then keep wrenching on it.
And the SRT is broke.
I already told them.
We're getting it fixed though.
I already told him, Mo.
Hey, we're getting it done though. We gotta get this alternator out, and then we gotta run into Missoula real quick and get him a new alternator, and the big chicken hawk will be on the highway once again. And
You girls that be asking about this alternator, don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about
but
Yeah, don't worry about no alternator.
you know, this is
Ain't part of your business. This alternator.
this is the stuff you gotta expect though when you're driving an SRT. You know, you ain't just driving it, bro. You're whipping it. So shit's gonna wear out. Shit's gonna wear down, and you're gonna have to get some new shit. So this probably won't be the first time you'll be under the hood.
Shit, bro. That was you, dog.
That was you, bro.
Yeah, you can't be dropping stuff. But
Hey, what you got going on here, man?
got Owen here, the handyman.
Hey, your engine is unplugged, bro. What you doing? No, Wouldn't that be some shit? Only
Owen just looks like he has some mechanic ass fucking arms, don't he? Just big ass forearms and shit, huh?
Yeah.
Look like Uncle Shiloh's arms. Just been working on cars for 30 years.
wrenching away.
Yeah.
I need to figure out how to get that.
But yeah, the chicken hawk, she's gonna be back on the road. She's gonna get a new wrap and everything, so y'all stay tuned. Yeah. And just like that.
I'll tell you, remove an alternator, boys.
I mean, they didn't see it, but
We
removed it.
No, we showed them how to do
Whoa.
it a little bit, like the first step.
It was.
You just gotta do all the little nits and crannies in the bolts and you'll get it. Tell you what.
There's a couple nooks and crannies, you know. It came through this small hole.
There's a glove down there.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, that's where it was.
hey, we got this out, so hold up. We got the alternator out, so we'll catch y'all when we got the new alternator in. We got the alternator. Sun's going down. We got the old one out. I'm gonna put the new one in, get the big chicken hawk back on the road. But I'll catch y'all along the process. What's up? Putting the code in. Got the new alternator on.
But where is it going?
Fucking Swifty. But yeah, I'll cut it down once I start up the whip. We'll let her sit for a couple minutes and try.
Yeah.
got the new one, man. Got the belt on.
Your boy Johnny Two-Time forgot to fucking juice the bitch.
We don't even know juice in it. But
Did you see my knife?
dude.
Comes up on you. And run away.
Put it at like 2,000. Put it at 2.
Put it at like 11,000 grand.
Just hold it at 2. Charge it up, huh? So let me know when I should try it.
I think you should be good now.
Oh, should I try it?
Yeah, the sooner the better.
He's all sitting in the back.
Try to unlock it.
The sooner you better.
Oh, the big chicken hawk. The big chicken hawk's gotta be back up.
Still charging.
Give it a couple more minutes.
Cold, dude. You had to recharge it like 6 times. You said fuck it, man. Really? Start it? Yeah.
Give it.
Big ass diesel, bro.
Especially in the winter.
Yeah. It got life now, though.
Yeah.
Big chicken hawk. Big chicken hawk back on the road. Back on the road.
You seen Bumpy?
For real. He said, was it? No. Just knocking on.
Yeah, give it about 10 minutes. She'll start up.
I cut the all on when we try to start it back up. Should turn on. Engine light still on. We'll get that shit checked out. See why that's on. But
So what are you doing, Fake? Let your car sit here for a minute and warm up first, but
it's saying no code, so the
huh? Yeah, probably not, cause you just fixed your code, bro.
Sounds way more smoother than like your old alternator, bro.
for real.
I don't know, bro. That shit sounding rough.
Just that shit sounds clean as fuck. Clean as hell. Your chicken hot fat.
For real. For real, I think. But we got the Jeep all started up. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.